Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Xbox Game Bar capture option grayed out on Windows PC. As you can see, the start recording option is not working. Let's fix that. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this first registry path. Just copy and paste it and press enter. On right side, GameDVR enabled. Just double click on it. Set this value data to 1 and click on OK. Now copy the second path, paste it and press enter. And now check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text and on the right side right click and select new and select default 32-bit value. And now paste the text we copied, add capture enabled, and now press enter. Double click on it, set this value data to 1 and click on OK. And now you just need to check my video description for this registry path. Just copy that registry path and paste it and press enter. On right side you can able to see allow game DVR. Just double click on it, set this value data to 1 and click on OK. Just close stuff here and restart our PC. After restarting, you just need to go to search menu and type Xbox Game Bar. Click on open the Xbox Game Bar settings and make sure it is turned on. After turning on, just close stuff here. And now you just need to open up Chrome or any game you want and press Windows key and G key together in our keyboard. And as you can see, the grayed out option is visible right now. Click on start recording option. As you can see, it started recording. You can turn on the mic if you want. After recording has been started, you can stop whenever you want by pressing again Windows key and G key and select this stop recording option, and it will be saved in here. See my captures option, and now the recording has been saved over here. Select open file folder and select continue, and this is the recording. Just double click to open it, and now the problem has been fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.